if you catch that Pokemon, it's Mega Evolve. And if you gonna Mega Evolve, and if you catch it, I tell you, there's a Mega Evolve, and there's 67500. I'm gonna show you something. It's Kyogre. I battle it on a 5 monster in the Pokemon. And this is Perf Electric. Because they're Perf, my dad has a little bit Stardust. And I have a many Stardust. IV55. I'm gonna tank. I'm gonna take out the Perf Electric. And this says 2020 10. And I'm gonna show you something. I think it's subscribe for part 3.